Welcome to my workshop, the workshop of JSpec engineering. Moved my shop out of my 50 square meter flat into half of a double garage for now. Gonna take that area over, and I got an attached office. So we'll start off here. We've got the little CNC machine, does plastics, wood, that kind of stuff. Don't bother with metal on it anymore. Got my 5-watt laser on the bottom for doing engraving, marking and vinyl cutting. And over here we've got my dirty stuff, my grinders and sanders. Got a lathe, quite a decent swing, single phase, which is quite nice. Power feed, yeah, pretty much all the bells and whistles. Nice little lathe. Overcrowded workbench, because that's just how my workbenches always are. And then I put up a material rack behind me. It's got my skateboards on it to store bar stock and long things. Then we head over here. We've got the mill. There's a video, an update video that came out last week. Going through this, I have changed from flood coolant to mist coolant today. Flood coolant was causing motor issues, so I abandoned that for minimum quantity lubrication, so like a mist or a fog. Got my other workbench, got my granite on it, my machine, my milling tools, my 4th axis which needs some love, busy with the probe, yeah, got some tool holders, drill press, vise, the usual stuff. Then the tumbler, which the video part 1 will be coming out. It's changed a lot since the end of part 1. Waiting for some media so I can shoot part 2. Got my big boy tripod over here. This is going to be for all the tumbling media. Then if we head through to my office, a lovely door over there, I've got my standing desk. My sitting desk, I just moved my swap monitors basically. I got a little secondary. Swap monitors, put my keyboard and mouse there and I can work, so I've been working standing. Got my 3D printer down the bottom. Then got some fancy shelves up there with a whole lot of crap on it. Need to put something up here. I'm thinking of putting a JSpec engineering sticker up on the wall because I have 2 that are too big for my bucky. But that's basically my workshop and also my gaming spec PC because why half-halls. Back in the workshop, I had to add a few plugs. I haven't added enough. I've run airlines. I've just used a flexible pneumatic hose, nailed it to the wall and teed off from my compressor at the bottom there. I put a plug in the roof, so that gives me power to the CNC over there. I don't have to run extensions on the floor. I put in a couple more plugs. Yeah, I put in I think 14 plugs in total, and it's not enough. I'm fighting for plugs on my workbench all the time. I'm fighting for plugs over there all the time. So yeah, it's a bit of a schlep. But yeah, that is an update to my workshop, and hope you enjoyed watching it. Thank you, and let's hope that my lav mic made the audio a bit better than the rest of my videos.